Ebusia for emamu nyina chimbiem. Braso say ye twetwe omaimu enkomo. Now say we a parent and say we BC exam na Ghana Education Service say afedi obetimi akwa school kra ye do akwa akoto. The obeya ne say obe text we index number no. Ti we index number odi we school no say okaya obe text the akwa 1066 1060. Yes, 1060. Na fe we are what still index number now the year crowd is 12 13 and answer 14 1060 what text kwa now omodi school na brel say be a baby secondary school and answer eho senior high na fi what could you mark or trunk and nature box shall say to turn kakra na mo so and so na afuani so na fi akwaji school prospectus and pay honorable Henry Kwabna Kokufu e wa honorable akwabo Pumboko dear.
Adumara.
Okay. Chamalote Jacobs. Yes. Aspiring Central Regional Chairman. NDC was say. Chamalote na wapumuti then.
Yaminalo.
Muhu wachiro.
I tasi. Campaign na me yankwa. Campaign na yoko. Zino ma yentu me yamba.
Okay.
No be use.
We wish you well. Ebusia for na koma ya twetwe no ba ko. Ona mo mesha sem free so ekuafo asemi say minority so moko western region na mara moko ya dan mo sheda ko say mo ne ekuafo ko hia na say na we line no
la mamini kanchia nuanoma etie no mo hwe na mam permission na bibi kitwe bi mame emfantuja ayi anope we signature team no yenti obia daddy lumba kwadwofo se no na
yes
am say ti daddy o here me ma afishapa me pon ade bibia me fafie ne and then no akro na 24th September
yes
na ye ira kodwoba
redu
yes nya ne baby ko and na chronicle the story be about Ira papa senior ne ma omusuku semne o masetene ma ayede no hadwen holiday twem so the anko parliament obantama ye call North Interest Government Hospital
okay
hona ye ko boama ECC ho kama the youth wing Shaibu Babadano. Yes, New Patriotic Party. Ye call Sefi Western region. Now
and I said government is cheating cocoa farmers. Story no. Daily guides are not the buy.
Krafona Kraneka. So ben sisi wo. Nti ye de ekodi ho adanse. Na ye correct say this tie. Na mama fan free baby mra. Won say pempi ya
but you gusu di nkomo ya no ye footage no nti bebo e be somewhere along the line that they akaka man for.
Ya can say agriculture a backbone of the economy. Na ye kasi sudua say cocoa industry e ade aboa o man no papa eguso boa o man no. Enti say ye keka ya japade ene nepa onyamede adom yen o man mu na cocoa de untimi nyi free mu da and untimi make sure say the bia me di golden tree chocolate so to promote cocoa no na besides me also so me ekuafo me papa nimpon ojai cocoa fo bebre o mredane ne amakurum okotepa district enti cocoa asem ya de ehia cocoa industry ade a so wo hwe niema yewura kwa menkroma penso na nanum dijae ya ya se no bibribi ni nyina ne atimi ya survive pa ye the cocoa industry a survive even though intimi momodin shemu kenan kuduru ba bia na nkesese by now ya ye industry na kuduru but at least however senior ye ni bia atimi ya survive na eda ho kutae anchepi ubete nranum banyina on say cedi no na ho de no appreciate against the currencies
appreciate dollar no
ti ejina ni nyina fare by any say na anu etwa mu me bi twa mu cocoa board penifo chief executive na mu di animu doc memoachi na omo ba parliament besre se senior ye no da no your BBB a friend say syndicated loan e ko jisika de ba be she cocoa dwumam ne de tokoko emu $1.7 billion aba system no inject to the economy. The mere fact say sika no kra eba kuku sika no eba no eno nko ma speculation na kede pressure ba dollar no so akofom. One major reason why see the no na ho den ni gina no ba kono no so wotimi yin free ho e ka se cocoa ne backbone of the economy. These are the practical terms in them actually pepe apart from inuma provide the jobs opportunities and other things. Enti se ba cocoa asema ne hia enti New Patriotic Party minority group ye policy say Ghana fa na nyinara ye bebo apro ne atua na mo ne yakọ na ye ne amanfo adi nkuta ho. We are taking governance to the people, the very, very people down there. Enti ya mutuo ni bi de ekopie sehwi mantem ho na se ye ka cocoa growing there. Nature say those areas na ya de mu akotini ye. Indeed, we are getting most of our cocoa production from those areas. Eti ye ne kukuafo nanom ne ajanum kohia no. Nature say akwakoba se hu hia say saying ana cocoa kwani wonya na onim the most samaka say the cocoa industry no yetimi maintain the pedigree na bedru sabre the most regulated trading commodity e wo man any cocoa. If you say
just a one share
pa just okotini ba bi enye just aban no responsibility aban no ko an wotumi say otimi de cocoa no ko adwa so koton na oye ho share enuti no abani to free akuafo no ho na brano ya tubuo no anase ebo akuafo no nsaka abani no ndi nkuta ho na ye kire se sisi a wohwemu a obu nkunta ne ade a ebo a eba ene aban sika odegie na wohwe dollar no to the cedi rate na na chese cocoa kwani no as currently oje aban tua ne ka almost 30% of the free on board pricing. FOB no eno na ye twen abadwene sisu se mre bi atwam 2008 wo bonto ano ne ade na mo kasa mo manifesto page 53 NDC manifesto 2008 ewom black and white se mo de nyamedom na munya abanwa na akwanya na kokoku afọ de mo tutu o masekura 70% of the FOB price ya de a mo de be ma
almost 18 is our mo manifesto no 70%
wom and say chese o mo de bre na bo no said the TV no mo be make sure say mo be sesen akoduru 70% na kokoku ani no ne saka nti ye bohye na kokoku ani no a maintain ono ne part of the deal ye contractor one o man Ghana wo oguso a wo ye ne kokoo adwuma krofo ye bi ye banche ye se cashew hwan ebi mu twagu na anu kra ebi twagu a ye dua rubber nom ne ade ani nyina ya yem hyehyesem so ho anti ye nim se pefe se kokobot ene aban ya ade omdom na asi fom kakra bi na yetimi ye ntotoye na ma kokoo farmer no ho ton kakra ebeboa ama kokoo kwadwuma no asama ne hum no so bio ye kan between from 2001 na ABC bra New Patriotic Party fra bam na yewuraje ekofo ye wa banso no ehihye bebre ebi ne sa fertilizer friend say yade man yetebo no so no so ho ya subsidy yetebo no so kakra na chese kokokweni no so enya bia ene aban ate so ho kire ba
what is subsidy no so bio koko mass spraying nanka obi biara okoko mrenu dura na patam ene nanka express spray ni nyina ene akuafo na kase sa adwumadie no nyaade etimi koso yi moa papa nti ama akate ne moa doma omusai koko no nyina ekoso na aka we nyina afua na ekowie se kuani no hwe na nakatua na sika de ma no nusu a Cote d'Ivoire no na bohye nti o ma no homne so a wasesa no de ko enu nti nanka ni hihye adigu akwan mu a between 2010 2011 season a yetimi nya the peak 1 million tons no free sabre ne banyina be si sabre sort 800,000 tons an ye record na uhwemu a na chese factors we nu nyina kafua na one production e kofo mo afuo mu ho
koko moa no ne ade ne se no kuani no onya sika kese na watimi de bi atoto input no no anya ne ho akanya no etoso bio smuggling nso so ekoso na woni doctor afriye edi nkoma
koko afriye former minister health
yes so no de pom ha no na oye koko kuani papa oye kuani ankasa na wo koko so bebre woni ne di nkoma na adwenkyere ene na adwenpɔ wo ne hunumu wo koko adwuma no mi ade akɔ animu yie say cocoa farmers and cocoa growers they are not happy with the system as it is now. Omaninje. Now indeed, a menika on another network, me senior colleague MP, Honorable Samson Ahi, so no so MP war.
Yeah.
But more. We admit it to some extent. Say cocoa industry no. Idea say about trying to teach you with the pricing. And tinya yanko ni eka. Stakeholders ni nyinara na abansu nim say the average cocoa producer no and I say farmer no ono so dia wa yam dia ma ne afie no onchiri say odibom omo breye o ma setena mu ni ade wom say duru ba bia ye ne ma kakrakra sa cocoa rose yinum ni ade na nya ade a ahokeka no e wo soro kese nti ya twa adwe aban adwena chi so say ba bia duro no the papa nom ne ma me no akuafo ka no sisi no bo na ya gie na afa obi no na no mo kan sem de mba maba ko be mfie nsia ni ne 30% ne de nya de so ani nti wo mo momoden na kwa biara
omuntu ya de se mo kan so mbe
ya se do mbe kan so mbe no na bio ye ma spray no so mo ma no homre so na afi nso so fertilizer na subsidy ni ya ti so no betimi a omum so these are near
concerns
yes now when him you ready
obey sa point no na uncle but na we decide say I didn't know so mo kan 70% I didn't know mo nyeye mo complaining roads ni I didn't uncle you read na
2007 abra nya oil no oil find no you ready for the then president o kan sem bi o kasa bebre ni ade we no the source say ye nhwe ni ye na oil ya yenye ya neglect other sectors na hano na cocoa no fit in clearly cocoa industry it remains our backbone near na onyi bia no fi say ya no keke ne de kan na anui with the injection of 1.7 billion dollars a show up a friend say city na hoden boa city na hoden ample demonstration say
to the point is that me mfa cocoa di agro Angalote deliberate and bibi ho a wo sa ban ye na onya na service because utia minim so hwe clip na farmers no binim bu afu pa mo kasa di then and am for complain about mass spraying no minim say reasons bi wo ho ntia sa no etese de ete na omo so mo tate se cocoa roads nso so omo ba bi omo wo no kwan na nya nti ye nim ba bi omo so mo nim ba bi kura sa cocoa roads de se aye wo ha no minim de obeka fa
Tigi maminjia etifunya
etifujolo
ganga finfin mantum central region for na aza MPs minority for or tactical different tactical maneuvers
I didn't know tactical
it's one aspect of I wouldn't say cheap propaganda but common propaganda.
Just say omodo mo ko frafra mu ho aya say
in some working MPP are do the same Kwame Nkrumah do the same I mean we are improving as a nation obiaba no abebi
but are we improving
but
now?
You know what what I'm saying is it's a tactical maneuvers in there with the now increasing on the world market on the price of cocoa. The MPP minority want to take the wind out of government sail.
Fancy.
MPP for akoye there when you there if you cocoa price bakoso sikaba what's the better cocoa human one aspect of their propaganda is to call for a meeting of farmers.
Problems no more
let me land. Many politicians. We know how to play the game. The game that will suit the purposes for which you want to win elections. And see all that as there. Yes, you say amount for start the way you complainer. You take those who favor your side, go and assemble them somewhere, and then talk to them because it's a common problem with all cocoa farmers. So let's take advantage of it. Let's group our people. Let's go and talk to them.
And then they brofuna papa.
Oh yeah, what kind of brofuna? What's a brofuna wuti? And it's the most viewed station in Ghana. Almost I think.
Yeah, for you
now, as some of in there, we all know the problems, and we know the challenges that has faced. Challenges are a face on my and how we are coming out of that problem. And see, for them now, and I expect the one MPP minority in parliament will one and you discuss in the details how to diversify byproducts of cocoa. How to
rather than make us be and come back kwan be fa so a say cocoa kwan na almost any ho no ye be ye cocoa kwan be fa so a mass spring no say asaya ye be say subsidy no ye problem kwan be fa so a mo be maso kakra ananya say mo
the cocoa boss is here or supply cocoa farmers with free fertilizer. Yes, one more confident. More will display wadi.
Okay.
What government policy is that? Go and buy your own spraying machine.
Control spray machine.
Because them go spraying. It's just job for the boys. Work on kind of have a train fee. It's rather to encourage.
Meaning say a buying directions is seen and they say, "Yamma cocoa kuyano on one kasanye."
That is what I'm saying.
Okay.
And they will give you the cocoa at the spraying chemicals and no one has a spray machine. It's better for you to spray your cocoa farm or to go and hire a group of people to spray your farm. Now, Mama guy in there, we shouldn't politicize the cocoa industry. He was comparing Ghana to Cote d'Ivoire. Cote d'Ivoire won cocoa about 2 acres, 3 acres, 4 acres. They are large plantations. That's how we should encourage our farmers. When we go and sit them down, let's talk about as you don't go and cry and then come and castigate government. At the end of the day, you achieve no results because it's been there. One bring to more time. How to move this country forward? How to ensure the Moroccan cocoa as the industry has been the backbone of our economy. Then how do we triple it? How do we triple jump the cocoa industry? At least to them CD appreciating against the dollar, it will appreciate more. That's you see, Ghana, we need to sit down and interrogate problems are here we face, dissect it, and have a good diagnosis to it. But this cheap politics, government is cheating cocoa farmers. At the end of the day, also by a bed. We are destroying this country. The industry so I can over and then you come and then you politicize it. Go to parliament as parliamentarians, sit in parliament and discuss about the cocoa industry. Let's talk about it, the way forward, and let us all contribute, because that is our backbone. If you will accept that. But you don't go and sit down in a constituency where you want to show support for a candidate who has lost 3 times. And then you go there.
Candidate Binti no Mokoe.
No, impossible.
Why?
Oh, Dr. Free.
Ninti no Mokoe.
Yeah. Mr. Tactical maneuvers.
And tell you, fan to Timu say. A option.
No, there's a problem in the industry. There's a problem in the industry. Mr. One way parliamentarians work of parliament. Yes, in fact, he's also coming from anyway or not band 20. He's living but over Necrasi. Bantman the issue is that we are off Amimi Efreni. And say, I look at my industry where there are problems. I sit with government. Government needs here, Maba radio, do TV, do Maba come with art. Martin, and they say, oh, yeah, problem is so essential to our survival. We intend dispassionately and discuss how to move the cocoa industry forward. Yes, it is true. It been much. One cocoa. No mudia rubber nazi.
Sunflower.
How do we stop that? How do we encourage the cocoa farmer? Let us all bring our ideas. Kwesi boni mo yenye. Kwesi boni imba matra. No get the government is cheating cocoa farmers. So the same in your government. Cocoa farmers have never realized the benefits of their industry.
So munya some faso.
And it said we increase the price up to $3,000 something per ton. Let's sit down. $3,000. You buy, you feed the dum. You have your compatriots in the other side of the divide. And once we feed cocoa farming areas, that is how we all sit down and look at the national interest. And what is the no, it become political. See, I very politics into it. At the end of the day, it's the cocoa farmer who suffers.
1441 cocoa farmer now say na unim cocoa ho asema no ho komo na ye twetwe wa say government is cheating farmers but alotese debi sabre be ye du na wo say kwa no obo your point bi wo say you bibi kan yes kwan be fa so a cocoa beans raw no as say ye be dane no amam fa so aba so mo na wo say ye ka ho asem say you bibi kan o say mass spray no wo say ye ma cocoa farmer na do no anka spray na de chance be ha ko fa grofo bi ba we nyina nye options viable options.
Quick one. First Uncle Lutemeki I say na me compare Ghana to Ivory Coast. I never did that. Then I can say ye day ye cocoa no be quite Ivory Coast cotton smuggling. And that is a fact. And Minyesha bit me deny. And then another one. Now he's telling us or can't check Ghana for including a Kuafo say government per se mass cocoa mass spraying exercise no ojai. Now rather no or they doing Kuafo. Is it the policy of the government? Two. Or can say
by everyone say a policy of government and a good option and I say a bad option.
That has been
a mass. Okay, this time will be Ankasa soon spread that they won't be more draw.
So come about third point now, Kabu. Or say he raised a good point. Or say a coin benny, the problem is there before identify. Coin benny ever fast you best sit down here. It has been done before. Ansana new patriotic party and Adekye Nsroma near him the level of production cocoa. Nsroma the programs bit I can say no, we need to revamp the cocoa industry. Indeed, it was part of our manifesto. I catch the Ghana for. And the need to revamp the cocoa industry. And the government put in measures, policies. A been mass spray, cocoa mass spray. A been fertilizer, a friend say.
The mercury for
yes, the mercury for subsidized. A been hybrid. You promote too the production of hybrid seedlings. Fast growing seedlings. You distribute to mercury for be free of charge. Oh, please, I did not talk. When a business said we gave a for realistic price at that time. So good. Nanina encourage you for and by the time you were exiting office, now I pay off. And until we put a target, yes, no, we need to. Kufua's administration says.
And then we might be some model before better to me.
Kafra. It yada but I be see and so. Before by a day, but I see the news say. Yadi near maybe she say we mu yadisike ra any jumedie ra kuku a jumanum. The bedroom baby say near Timiania tonnage say near your query. Indeed, it's abre numuno. Every say Kufo and then I buy free a bem I call 2010 no na asase swaba and until you drew say a target of 1 million metric tons. Enti mobile bem nan can a papam said you canning na yayebi ya intimia nyini nyinara or how no from Kwame Nkrumah pencil area JJ Rollins pencil Kufo pencil nemum anamontuo bi koso nti nan kan papa mu a nan ka mo so mu na chese ne ka koduru 1 million no nan ka mo so mu de ye ko 1.2 ana 1.3 nan ka ba bia ya bedure na ban foforo bi baba bi da achi bi a nan ko so de ye ko na mo de mo be so mu no ya te ba fom ya ban 800,000 sa ne record ba enti kire wo se bibi nkoyie. That is a simple thing. The ordinary man just who benya 1 million. A year then and I feed by 800. And no money catch out say. Some mass spray now when you call home. Yet the year do my money ye a boy money cost. bio fertilizer da subsidy na what so no ye bra na ye de mafuli no eboa ma ne ye ye hye akuafo no nkran afen so esi friend is smuggling ano ebise ne ma won boa na okọ smuggle kra na mfaso bi ani so enti na nyina ye incentives e ma cocoa farmer. That is what we are saying. Now you made a point, say, as parliamentarians, as say,
we raise you on the floor of parliament.
Yes, but Nirefi say we are coming from the people. We went to the people. Nipa na ko mo no man asoma parliament o. The four corners of parliament. Nsoma ye kan bebrebe nsentro for mubra no de eya na ye mude na beba bonte na motaka. Nsoma ya kan fa cocoa adwuma ho wo parliament. He has no idea. The next time beba me the hands out beba na ma kire no nsema ya kan fa ho. Now your recess we are going to the people. Ye nipa we are not in sitting no. Ye call ye nkrofo no ho nipa Ghana for the ordinary Ghanaian. Wa ma ye contract. Ordinary Ghanaian wa kan kire ye se kona kosi manan e wo mrahye bedwam. Enti se ya ba fie ne agi ahome. Ne ye kọ ne ho akọ kan kire ne se ye na anu wo soma ye no nsem se ne ehun na koko adwuma no etsen mo na mote ho na mote form ne ye kuti afiri omo. And I want to assure Uncle Alute ne ya tie afiri akuafo no ho ye yesu afiri ho parliament is here.
Okay,
we shall bring them to the fore. Where they want to tell wa and ye pese amanfo nyinara ehun se o how be ho now nim kuyani no oni voice say your doctor
everyone wants say oni voice
only voice
member they have an association.
Oh please
voice
please
okay
say your doctor ana akọ nani say ya anka no anzo oyi na ayi no no de agu ho
but enye curious say kuyafo mu ni voice.
That's it.
Say omuni voice.
Mam na make come back.
Okay, Uncle Alute some association just first
mam fancy say teacher ni a na no put tag for na grad. What dey na chalk no and the pen to ho na aye obi a hope. Doctor di nurse ni o se ben kwa adwuma obehunu hospital na we yare cholera.
Asa kuyafo so tini ye bi.
Kuyani kachira wo se enemi no kokoo ni bio ni nye we ya die pa na se kura wodo na wote ho no kura die ni wo di awuo eno kura ye dena ma no.
Uncle Alute ese kuyafo no omo ni voice and you know omo ntin se me ko and aban so nya na jo be ko abuti.
They have a strong organization. They are talking about mass praying. One be do was here politics.
Say
look, go I will share one period what the cocoa mass praying be no tokwa papers or publish PE
mass praying
mama kacho
and tokwa say
na obutum na they were it was job for their boys
and then it brought results.
Have a result.
1 million tons
1 million tons as it
yes
it that look
yes it's used. It's an investment
aya wakasa there sebi yamu binim yenyim farming na ni techniques and how it yield results most I can say na prevailing conditions at certain period of time nzaya na water mo kakada mzama
na se cocoa na one year na and also
master
cocoa does not
okay I mean that's that point.
Basically one cocoa mass spray was be wakafa party activists job for the boys. So
take NDC party activists and do it.
Who won't do that?
Results.
It's yielding results. It's yielding results. The economic situation I want has affected everybody. And you don't see government is cheating the cocoa farmer. Everybody is affected. And coming out of these economic problems, you will see it. Government is soon coming out. And Messi game I will play now. We'll play game is a set trap. Say a bomber out, and very soon government will be coming out to increase the price of cocoa. When you are about to pay, we get yamba, one and you want bakasa.
So what is wrong with
that? That means
a tactical maneuver. It's a tactical maneuver. We all know these kind of political games. I won't call it cheap propaganda. I'll call it common propaganda.
But the question is, say propaganda cheap or common or mutual or whatever, cocoa farmer be feel say or deserve better than the onya.
It's been done always. What's it all? Obama cocoa full pension. Pension as the you see, we always rhetorics. Gina public.
Na just mo dey na rhetoric say bra mo kan say mo ba mo be more mo bebre. Now yes.
We are giving them fertilizer free. You check fertilizer more. Or a gradual process.
Okay.
And the government is a continuous process. Well, once the Azaya can in there, look, in Runo, but you better go farmer.
One circle spray.
Well, got all spray machine. No spray what it.
Just say young to me say, one more spray.
One more do that. No, we used to go and get one cotton.
Oh, records be anywhere.
Records were they were others. If you know what you want, or you want cotton, one build.
But at least you find to say you pursue one spray no be.
No, tell it is policy of government. There is no government there. Obagade he will neglect the cocoa industry. There is no government because that is your backbone. But
it was a government be so bad. Even though on pursue be gunu there, so on any
every government will pursue a policy. Obotumuna wa abua cocoa farmers. Because without the cocoa industry, Ghana cannot stand on its feet.
Okay. Be a person who partner say ye bibia na ye cocoa no enye ni ewo abonten so na ye cocoa de no.
Oh, can we take it on another level dimension?
We say ye be process more of cocoa.
Well,
so that's the suggestion now.
I know a big issue as you can answer that. You see,
but we are for we can NIA to issue new card no.
Oh, okay. Cocoa industry I can apart from beans in the mine. You say we cry the mammy more cocoa board abaso. If you say she say you benya another benefit a wo yes say you benya cry. Afi ni adwen asiso. So forestry commissioner you be a friend a red plus. That's reduction of emissions through forest degradation, deforestation and forest degradation. Now, Omu office secretariat, it is all about to fight climate change. You women such a nominee America, and the cocoa industry, cocoa farms, plantations, and existing farms. You who say a part of the strategy between me. And the cocoa board. And the forestry commission, sa secretariat na edinkuta ho. A che se omu behwa aboa ama cocoa na wo ho sisi no. Ya me na wo ho na ya se adua bi aka ho. If you say ye ka carbon sink, a bigger intidakro a chief producer, a chief executive producer na mo ya. If you say climate change na ya de abehia mo wiase nyinara. President John Ajekum for former president. Ono na UN nyinara pa no. Special envoy for climate change. Now, leading agency or environment, Ministry of Science and Environment, or my national policy on climate change, and a forestry commission, and the World Bank near other donor agencies, ASI Red Plus project initiatives. And the cocoa farms in industry, an integral part, a idea here, if you say a dear, idua naturally idua also trap carbon ana idua assign a carbon e de ye na aduane photosynthesis enti ehun wonfa so papa greenhouse gases na ma wi mu ayehie
no say kura na e campaign si bedua cocoa no more
enti ye nya na ba ne beans no na esan boaye wo sa climate change mitigation no say na ye si ano kwan greenhouse gases no methane carbon titiriw so wahunu enti we nyina ya de a eye anamontu a eboa na de na minia we are say you can same way na quickly you tumika say you politicize na I mean political decisions need
okay
and policy statements enti me no mienu yanka wan na beka the ordinary man
so ebi so the concern say o kan de akire say aban no mo ne homoden dia ebia genuine problem na wo twe aban adwene
anka wo correct ya na kam nya hwe
bi o kan de agoje fans also di bi say aban batum ti ne me yi kan wo kan say anko kan ka aban emfa nyi
aban tum na kuani ho to no say ho ato me
ya bra NIA to issue the Ghana card ya koye yi na ekosan lie anopa koye yi bi me sa ka me de but you say NIA say ba be ye foforo na foforo na ba be no mo say enya ade a omo best wo information wo hodada obeba na ebi oba be sesa na say bisa but basically as a yesen ayade no foforo ye be issue card foforo already ya bo ho ka question bisa de senti mean person make say and this be or person make say cheap because common card yeah the many passes so taking in this number of years and name
lawyer and name papa indeed may read the daily graphic story no that share what video so it is a money the most popular what videos ya can sa card issue ho asem bebrebe NI the titru ya bra president okokan ko complain is too many
cards
ID cards in the system. The question back say NI cards no away Yaboka 20 something
1 million Ghana
21
cedis.
million Ghana cedis. Now we read this story now. Umukoje loan of about $115 million dollars. And they are baby. So ubisa ho say adenti na asoman edi ehun awusa sa exercise na ye no awai na se fiem nsia ebeni ye hunu ho mfaso se esese ye na omamu ni nyinara nyina dipa ni yi one card pe etimi ye ne ma nyinara de boa ni hu se Ghana ni am fiensia ne ye hu mfaso anya ama na nsi nya pa card na ma obi a ade na abehia bia osisi esa afedie ese kobobusia na ye de be shase afro enya se ye be bobusia de atoaso ya 7 regions and some part of northern region aka basically 2.5 regions.
You know atoaso.
That's the point. So you ask yourself ade na akobase but you see area say na uncle te o tactical maneuvering and all that.
When you say tactical maneuvering
sebeya e be capture yes sebeya e be capture nipa bi and a group of people be into the system na omubenya national ID card and can be and same fata
for that purpose.
Well you be sabi because
when you get speculation
and your speculation I'll tell you here national ID card see here in Temwa and can the question of who is a Ghanaian a bus voter register and can you create it becomes a backbone database. And you know, say brain do akwala or 1 year register in there. Everybody knows say or sa register no so backbone data no. And it says 17 years in dra. And you have been on your 17 years a kind of 1 year automatically or voter register. So not your same quantity or voter registers. Until they were 15 years. 2-3 years to come or voter registers until you can always compare your voter register with that
data now
would do any question no until the issue of where underage and you register no voter register no so when you Ghanaian you register no anka you best solve no once and for all this was 6 years ni you hunu ho mfaso aban dana wo no initiative our project no ja hokoe no the mam yantimi anya beduru ne ama ne yi president nana numa asem ID card ya bua ubia ID card biometric
ubi wallet ma
bebrebe na this so na woni ade a hokra ne se o manya sika ne adaje aye foreigners de ama won foreigners wo mem have been registered o munyina wo data no so wo cards but me ne wona or mine young taxpayer, you see, for 6 years now, NDC Aban has not seen the need. Here, I fed all of a sudden your danger, or say I fed you here, now, because this is a capitulity, we do the barber chassis or craft for so that the Nanka or the National Health Insurance Card, Nanko Pese or the register. Voter register no so a court Supreme Court to see no kwan and then the oba on national health insurance view or the national ID card nebeba into oba we ni hu kwan bia we ni bibia o Ghana ni
to say be touch
yes be touch oh also tactical maneuvering
but not in respect of Sakadi and you mo dey no say tactical man also they apply what they want apply
but you see there if you see a way,
the munina oya so oya.
If you see a way as a man say your dada ye ho na anamuntu esi etu near the boy ye man chichire ye man as Ghana near ni ankasa ye nkrofo ho ton na dachi nchiri man so ba be hu se yen so ajanum di ja yen so aye bi papa de aja e ba bo aye papa
enti honorable se be fa nchechemu a sa aka na aye boy no sa card ni nyina me de hye botom eno no nyina no aye kahunu ya be fa nipa foforo so obi edi kan fa bi ni matu omoka ya be fa bi ni so abetu omoka wo ho enti no then as it said
yeah kokra bi onu say bebre okra o muntu o muka nwie na de ehu biem is about security matters because they say we share utie yi na e be PPP private public partners
aban ankurankura so wo
na ankurankura ana ono wo ba be teki saa we nyina initiative yo na wa ba be ye de aman enti saa security implication e wo national registration identification registration no na ye ne dey ade we hia papa see etimi ye we a wenim ye planning ene niam ankoso bebre to asiri nyina e fa free we na ye nie no
and our far reaching implications so
ana bio sisi ya no wose private na eba mu meanwhile national identification authority e dey akoto cabinet say cabinet approve na omunkoje loan 115 million ewo Ghana dinimu ewo China na de ye nim fa PPP hu bia no private public bia no e private investor na oba no ono no obo ho ka ono prefinance but this time there Ghana government na through the NIA na ekoji sika dia be prefer any adenti na ban na nkasa nyina na so na onye ne esefata na onye na ade na one yen solve security implication two abana na ye involved or man nankasa ekebi o
be a private no or the expertise na eba
expertise be na aban timi high
yeah anye yi
good that just say aban ye capable of aban timi high experts mo mu nya adwuma ma no ma o man ye ho ntoye and the na just asema ba because at the end of the day ya hwe ye ye be kwa high private ministers ya high private DCs and ya
high private BBA Angalote NIA to issue new Ghana card
MPP for the why doubting Thomases they always doubt
because
unless they are in charge
Angalote because ya bi anye yi
nje o sha si fi Professor Tifa da bi do Captain Dr. Koba no zawa awa nzi aya na magade ye kansa mana ya zo yen yen yi kaka
ya ye do baby
oh yen kan yen hwe yen yi kaka se gachi obi de nenyu asimpia kede wazo woze oyekwata na wo gachi obi de nenyu asimpi nza na owom de dado we have a common problem. That problem has to do with a database. Yenyi bi wagana ha. Yes, into normal. Obi asora na ID card. ID card abama kalu kwa ubu ne ngofu kite machines a wazi ID card ne aza wazi ship. Electoral Commission.
Will be. Bank will be.
We don't have a common database. We need to build it. Then is or constructed then almost completed.
But Uncle, problem no near a dime.
Oh,
problem near the facility.
You see, Ghana has not been networked. Institutions, government institutions, have not been networked into a common database. And see, I'm afraid. Mazo, I have my concerns. Then look, would it include DAVLA? Would it include our date of birth, national insurance? Because
one card
was slaughtered. All your information data, and then let's forget about DVLA. And DVLA should deal purposely with vehicles and not issuance of driving license. Or DVLA will do that to factor that into our database. NIA wants to watching was a card. So that we have one common card who electoral as the identification number.
Bibia was so.
Bibia was
so.
But we can't be doing these things in piecemeal.
115 million
on your small cash. But I'm happy about something there. More about PPP. Yes, that's our policy. In order to show up our local as the business enterprises. In Jesus, can the Chinese for the money will circulate in this country. On your be there foreign company be no you are
but that PPP doesn't mean say it was a very local it could be
they are contracting a local company to do the job for NIA. Uncle,
to when you say I was say NIA for back catch the Yentia, Saka that we see no Anya Juma.
And you I mean
Magari asked that
responsibility in 2007 or 8. Up to today, what Cape Coast Legion or Menyamaka.
And deserves will be back.
No, we should interrogate it. I agree with you. We should interrogate it. May ana ye boko once and for all there another azizu baby. Because me means it. I don't understand it. They need to explain themselves very, very well. They need to explain themselves. Dr. Kobazo happens to be a very good friend. I think that he should come out to explain. But
lawyer, you see, the uncle taking. I think we are all on the same wavelength.
Yeah.
In Kayebenya, Naka or mine war data. Germany, we drive our car no license plate. Number no also. Police ni the wachi no bomb on air super.
Bibia, social security number, baby, I would say,
oh, mammy, or papa, or driving car number. We are you knew her. Now, at least we a bit me, I shall see a fee, baby. Certain no can be pepe. DVLA, a friend, electoral commission,
national health
insurance, and all can all
social security
can all feed into this. Kopim says schools. Crano identity nominee adinina can be when him say NIA if you are not passport never in matters of importance and so we call neighboring countries teach through the French speaking countries kada identity yes time immemorial I
don't know why you say
and they are so important so fundamental for them. And today, parents, yentimi kra Cote d'Ivoire here, yentimi nkonko bisa woman Korea, then na mutimi ya modia ye bedu Togo wobi, Burkina wobi, Ivory Coast. Said dear pan into yentim na ye any kaya boy. What is it so different from Madame Loretta dear Omuyano Shraji?
Hotel
yes, waste pipe. Waste pipe. You create your venues sooner than assess.
And as you create this out, we are responsible.
I agree with Agalute. We are preparing ourselves to another waste pipe. $115 million.
A bit media, yes, whom Quayamana Abrosumpo. Agalute. Yeah, one day. Then I honor. And I scan you'll be on. Dear, and I okay. Maybe I'm more desk and no one is some.
I mean, we believe the Ghanaian intellectual community are failing us.
Sir.
Yes. Look.
And that's all.
Yes, necessity is the mother of invention. In terms of needs and wants, that is where we have to crack our brains. Now, say, to abound for now buying far. Look, that is why we have civil societies.
Provided some cannot buy the fact.
No.
Now you're entitled to a political party.
If we depoliticize issues, that will grow our country better for us. But if you to them okay, Uncle Kasana MB Kasana nicely,
Doctor, a friend say, come by our dam for Bisadama say, we are demanding answers. I didn't Tina Sakad no. Why this new?
No, he should come out. I mean, this is CEO.
That's what I'm for.
No. Madam for should not make me to go and ask him. He should come out. I'm saying it publicly. Out, come and explain very well to Ghanaians.
Lawyer, Uncle Lotte introduced you very important point. It's the intellectual community. Humanim for new humu for a war man. You can't pan or may I do say, but may I did to it say your politicians cry this are humanim for name. Young politicians, including me, Majamo. Yeah, me,
and your more fans and
Tina, so are Bemwa. Now, random my opposition for no quine, and in a swap what they say, Umberto crowd, but no moon too. Now, some sister, if you are more come back, almost so much in my son, and why you together is all my year politicians here in Benyam. Yes, now, my
politics are here, Ghana, you need bipartisan approach.
Partisan.
Yeah, bipartisan. There are some issues to be over.
We agree.
They are of national interest. You depoliticize it.
Yes, like NIA.
And you look at it today, and there's no government that will say that I will listen to the intellectual community.
Sometimes.
No, look, that is why, look, I've seen a lot. We listen. We listen. That is why we have these civil societies.
Okay.
We listen.
Then if
that is why people write columns.
A fair intellectual community. No, yes, say mon sorry in casa na aban so entie. Then Dr. Koba, me amete hey, sa asem no me ntia se da. Cause me so rahomache na me call legon call year registration. Say o se men sanmra na men san me one card that Cote d'Ivoire forward that day na yesu so kra na yete ye secondary uduru ho a wi apani ebisa secondary na Ghana ha ye na yete ha na ye dwudwa ya no gateway to Africa blaster of the day can sama kese sa na we na common ID card intime ya omo ade do ye do mo to ano so no mo post akese the title akese eno ho asem no ye na nka de twoba be ka ho so minim se mobile mo hu nkwan na nkwan bi a ye hwe agu say you close down twoba
I think that
you careful me pese your publish list no so be ya obi hu se bi okodidi wo hodada na wa wunim de beba ana se ho na adidi ana ya careful AMA closest 30 chobas mo fa list no mra na obi hu ba bi kura mo koya mo close ye no nti no ho asma no ono bo kwabra kokofu me da ase
yanka tobaro
there be a pon choba ada choba na so se
asma na ki hia papa choba sa hodo 30 dia close isa crowd baba kumasia na me ho kumasia close as a market or
waji these are better odu baby was in better in biede
yes boycott yes abusuan for ibe page mu ase mu akwa kodidi no so hwe baby kura obekwa akodidi ehu hia pa anya se okọ ya pe efunti na okwa ye we say yes. I'll change me at my best and
play one more tactics and then I doom so watching on a pipe. Tonya Maso, ne bedroom the 5. Fele wo gallon, I save your life. When you are there, I won't even to our tight. Go from point who so Namakofa pro. Process so call ya no buy the draw. Parliament for no more boy, bro. Me you gonna hunt to my cap your table raw. You call your name and I will be a chance and the boss be in the D. Because the canal law could be Sasumesi. Trot crass, your foot on the